we continue to use the water we are using the way we are using it today, we are going to run out of water long before we are running out of oil. Long.
Most estimates suggest we're going to need about twice as much food and feed in the near future, in the next 30, 40 years, as we produced in 2000. To do that under a business as usual scenario means we're going to need twice as much water. And in many countries, we just don't have that water.
It is not a human right to fill your swimming pool, to wash your cars, you know, to put water on the sprinkler in your garden. That's not a human right. But in the public discussion, we confuse this all the time.
It takes between 2,000 and 5,000 tons of water to produce a ton of rice, and it takes about 1,200 tons of water to produce a ton of wheat. So when you're trading wheat and rice, you are trading virtual water.
Politicians' way of handling it is to delay it, send it for consultations. Fact of the matter is, it does not go away. It comes back.
What are you going to do to incentivize governments to start to take this a bit more seriously than they currently do? And I think understanding the economics of water is a crucial way of understanding how we need to value, manage, and allocate it throughout societies, depending upon the needs of those different societies.
In agriculture, we said 70%, that's a global figure. In developing countries, it's between 80 and 90% of the withdrawals are going for agriculture. And thus, when you transform the agriculture and the private sector and the big multinational and Nestle can have a big impact in that, I think that will have a big impact.
For me, biofuels based on food is a criminal activity. It's absolutely immoral. And this is very simple, and it's one decision which all governments could take.
It is wrong to burn the food of the poor to drive the cars of the rich.